Okay, then collect like terms. After multiply each term of the first one to the each term of the second one, then collect like terms. Like terms means having the same variable and also the same exponents. Here is that is the highest exponent is, or that is the degree is x to the power of 7. Here is x to the power of 6, x to the power of 6. That is minus x to the power of 6 plus 2x to the power of 6. And that is the power of 5. Here is minus 2x to the power of 5. Yeah. This means minus 2x to the power of 5. And here that is plus x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 minus 6x to the power of 4. The next is the power of 3, which is here that is plus 2x to the power of 3 plus 6x to the power of 3. The next one is that is the power of 2. There is no term with x to the power of 2. This is minus 6x. This means here is that is x to the power of 7 minus that is, or that is simply plus minus 1 plus 2x to the power of 6 plus here is that is, okay, this is what, that is minus 2x to the power of 5 plus that is 1 minus 6x to the power of 4 plus that is 2 plus 6x to the power of 3 minus 6x. Okay, after that, the last one is that is x to the power of 7. This is what, that is x to the power of 7, x to the power of 7 minus 1 plus 2 means that is plus 1x to the power of 6. And that is minus 2x to the power of 5. 1 minus 6 means that is minus 5x to the power of, that is 4. And that is 2 plus 6 means plus 8x to the power of 3. And that is minus 6x. This is what, that is the product of f of x and that is g of x. So the degree of f of x is, that is 3. The degree of g of x is, that is 4. The degree of f of x and times g of x is, that is the sum of the degree of f of x and that is g of x, and that means 3 plus 4 which is 6. Okay, ስለዚህ f of x g of x ክንባዛ እንተለና ዲግሪ ታይዝ ሆን ዘሎ ናይ ክልቲኦም ዲግሪታት ድምር ዝሆን ዘሎ f of x እንታይ ለና 3 ለና g of x kan እንታይ ለና 4 ለና 3 plus 4 times ነው, that is 7 ይመጣና ነው. So that is the degree of the product of two polynomial function is, the degree of the product of two polynomial function is, that is the sum of the polynomial, or that is the sum of the polynomial functions. That means f of x ሰለስተ ለና ኣብዚ 4 ለና ድምሮም እንታይ ዝኮን ዘሎ 7 ይሆነና ኣሎ። ኣብዚ ሰለስተ ነይሩ ኣብዚ ክልተ ዝኸውን ክንደይ ምዃን ነይሩ ታዲ 5 ይኾነ። ኣብዚ ሓደ ዝኸውን ፕሮዳክቶም ዲግሩ 4 ምዃን ነይሩ ማለት አይ ምን ክልተ ምዃን ነይሩ ማለት እዩ። Okay, the next one is that is number 2. F of x y binalo, that is x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 1. G of x kan try to y binalo, that is 2x plus 1. That is time now, that is solution number 2. F of x is equal f of x times g of x is equals to, that is g of x times, that is f of x minus is equals to, what is g of x is 2x plus 1 times what is f of x is x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 1. Then this means here is, that is equals to 2x times x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 1 here is that is plus 1 times x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 1. This means that is equals to, that is 2x times x to the power of 3 means 2x to the power of 4. 2x times 2x means that is 4x to the power of 2. 2x times 1 means that is 2x. Okay. Plus 1 times x to the power of 3 means that is x to the power of 3. 1 times 2x means that is 2x. 1 times 1 means that is 1. Okay, this means yeah. Okay, then this means that is 2x to the power of 4 plus that is x to the power of 3, and that is here is plus 4x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 2x plus 1. This means 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus 4x to the power of 2 plus 4x, that means 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 1. This is what that is the final result. That means x to the power of, that means the degree of f of x times g of x is, that is 4. The degree of f of x is, that is 3. The degree of g of x is, the degree of g of x is, that is 1. Degree of f of x is, that is 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So we can take that polynomial function is closed under the operation of multiplication, because the product of two polynomial function is, that is polynomial function. The product of two polynomial function is, that is polynomial function. So we can say that that is polynomial function, which is x, then add the exponents, which is, that is 6. And here is, that is x to the power of 2 times minus x to the power of 3 means that is minus 2x to the power of, that is 5. 2x to the power of 2 times x means plus 2x to the power of 2 plus 1, that is 3. The last one here is the last term of the first one is, that is minus 6 times x to the power of 4 is, that is minus 6x to the power of 3 minus 4, that is minus x to the power of, that is x to the power of 6. Here is 6. X to the power of 3 times x means plus x to the power of 4. 4, that means 3 plus 1 is, that is 4. And here is, that is 2x square. 2x square of 3 minus g of x is x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x. Then this means is equals to, that is x to the power of 3. That means here is multiply each term of 1 by each term of the other, means what is the second one is, that is x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x. And here is, that is the second term is, that is plus 2x square times each term of the second, that is x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x. And here is minus 6 times x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x. Then this is what, that is the third term. Then multiply each term of the second one, or that is the other one. This means x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 4 means that is equals to x. Select one of the variable, then add the exponents. What is 3 plus 4, which is 7. X to the power of 3. Okay, now we'll see about multiplication of polynomial functions. To multiply two polynomial functions, multiply each term of one by each term of the other, and then collect like terms. Like terms means having the same variable and also the same exponent. For example, here is, that is a polynomial function which is x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus 6, and the second polynomial function is that is g of x is equals to x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x. Then find that is f of x and g of x. And that is so means let f of x and g of x be two polynomial functions, and suppose that g of x is not constant zero polynomial function, or that is g of x is different from 0, or that is not to be 0. Then there exists a unique polynomial functions q of x and r of x such that f of x is equals to that is g of x times q of x plus r of x, where r of x is either constant 0 or that is a polynomial function, I mean a polynomial of degree, polynomial function of that is degree lower than degree of g of x. The degree of remainder is that is less than the degree of remainder that is less than the degree of divider. The degree of remainder is that is less than the degree of that is divider. That means we are either constant 0 or polynomial of degree lower than degree of that is g of x. G of x is that is divider, and that is r of x is that is remainder. So the degree of the remainder is that is less than the degree of remainder. This means dividend is equals to dividend f of x is that is divided, and divisor is that is g of x, and that is plus remainder means that is r of x. Okay, for example, divide 6x to the power 4 plus 5x to the power 3 plus 4x minus 4 by 2x squared plus x minus 1. Then what will be the equation? That means or that is rewrite the function as dividend is equals to divider times quotient plus remainder. And this is what is okay, using long division, here is that is dividend 6x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 3 plus 4x minus 4 divided by what? By 2x squared plus x minus 1. Here is that is 6 divided by 2, that is 3, x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2, that is x to the power of 2. Then multiply. This means 3x to the power of 2 times 2x to the power of 2 is that is 6x, 3 times 2, that is 6, x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2, that is x to the power of 4. 3x to the power of 2 times x means that is plus 3x to the power of 3. 3x to the power of 2 times minus 1 means minus 3x to the power of 2. Then multiply by 1 by negative. Then add the two polynomial function, that is 6x to the power of 4 minus 6x to the power of 4 means that is 0. This will be that is negative 5x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 3, that is 2x to the power of 3. Here is that is negative times negative, that is positive, which is 3x to the power of 2. That is plus 4x minus 4. And again divide by 2x to the power of 2 plus x minus 1. This will be, the result is that is plus 2 divided by 2, 1, x to the power of 3 divided by x, that is x. X times 2x, that is 2x to the power of 3. X times x, that is x to the power of 2. X times minus 1, that is minus x. Then that is negative by negative. So 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 3, that is 0. This will be that is negative 3x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3, that is 2x to the power of 2. This will be negative times negative, that is positive 4x plus x means that is 5x minus that is 4. And again divide by 2x to the power of 2 plus x minus 1. The result will be that is plus 2 times, by 2x to the power of 2, that is 2x to the power of 2. 1 times x means that is x. 1 times minus 1, that is minus 1. Then that is multiplied by negative. Then what is the difference? 2x to the power of 2 minus 2x to the power of 2, that is 0. This will be negative. 5x minus x, that is 4x. That is 4 minus, this will be positive. This will be minus 4 minus, that is positive 1 means that is minus 3. This is what that is remainder. Remainder. That is remainder. This is what that is divided. Quotient. And this will be that is divider. So that is from the theorem dividend is equals to that is divisor times that is quotient plus that is remainder. That means what is the dividend is that is 6x to the power of 4 plus 5x to the power of 3 plus 4x minus 4 as equals to what is the divisor is that is 2x to the power of 2 plus x minus 1 times what is the quotient is that is 3x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1. Okay, plus what is the remainder is that is 4x minus 3.